is, bro.
Customer what the hell?
Your motor, bro.
Today's episode of Customer States, right wheel locked up, will not drive, and it was towed in.
You got a rock?
Inside pad, metal.
Definitely there.
Oh.
Let's see what the problem is.
Ha!
Oh,
Inside metal into the piston. Yep.
All right.
Customer states it smells like the battery is burning.
Oh no.
Probably because it is.
Overcharging?
It's a Dodge.
Blow up?
It's a Dodge.
It's a Dodge computers.
It's overcharging.
Oh my.
What the fuck?
Oh,
Oh,
no,
rats?
that's a rat's
Oh,
nest.
the rat's freaking
Yep.
ate it.
Oh, he's smelling.
It has a vibration while
Oh, I
driving.
thought that was a Mexican.
Look at that tire.
Usual wear pattern.
Heck yeah.
That's not a
those
tire
bar
anymore.
joints
No.
and struts are all
You think you need
whatever
some
it is.
shocks in there?
Shocks.
Yep.
They made them for grip.
Yeah, mud, bro. Get
Oh
it
my god.
Get it tight. Bet you
Surprised that
I
thing
bet
hasn't
you it
blown
grabs
out yet.
good in the mud.
Huh. Customer states.
Jeep Liberty. Customer states. My four-wheel drive don't work. Let's see what the problem is. Okay, there's the axles, differential.
He's missing a drive line.
Hiding up in there in the dark,
Huh.
but
Yeah, probably.
Oh, yep, there it is.
Yep.
Missing drive line. You know why they took that out. Hard turn, chatter.
Yeah.
Vehicle will not stall in first gear.
Wait, what did you say at the beginning?
Cuss what?
Customer states will stall in first gear.
Oh,
Huh.
Rip clutch.
I just saw one of those yesterday.
Yeah.
It was worse than that.
Way worse than that.
What the
You know what that is?
fuck?
A fuel pump?
The purge valve.
The
Oh,
purge
purge
valve.
valve?
Yeah,
Yep.
that makes sense. He's shooting the air back out.
Makes fart
Because
noises.
you know the hose that comes up to the.
Oh,
filling
yeah,
outlet,
yeah.
That's what it's coming out.
Yep.
You know it's a problem when your car's farting. Alright, one more.
That's the first one that made me laugh.
Yep, and it's the stupid Ford one too.
Customer
Yep.
It has no
states,
cap.
here's water sloshing around while
Oh
driving.
yeah, this is freaking wild.
Are you
Oh,
ready
yeah,
for
I've seen
this?
this one.
Yeah.
God, Nolan,
I've seen
pull this
this
back.
one.
You guys don't remember me doing this to one?
Got him.
Oh, not here though. Never mind.
I remember hearing about a couple at the Dales.
Oh, God. Oh, no. Don't do it.
All inside the frame?
Yeah, dude.
And
Comes out thing.
the rocker.
It's
Come out of there, you. Oh,
probably
no.
what's wrong with that Beamer.
Oh, God. This is it. The video's gonna end before
Oh, a body plug. Okay.
He's pulling out the plug, dude, and it's wait.
No.
It's so wild.
Oh, that sucks.
Water going through the car wash too many times. Probably.
Wow.
Oh my god!
Dude, BMW, just like Caesar's. Yep.
It's probably like the Beamer.
I didn't realize that was a Beamer.
They have a drain. Why were they putting it in there?
Customer states when applies brakes in reverse. Vehicle applies brakes when in reverse. I wonder why.
Oh. Yeah, I've always wanted to see one of these actually come to the shop.
Why?
What is that?
Do that.
Steering wheel. Have you
What
seen
was
all-
that?
It's a steering wheel that wigs out. I don't know why it does that. I want one to come in so I can figure it out.
Removing the panel here. No, doing some testing. Removing the panel here. And I see this panel removed, so I crimped these two wires together because they were done. We still have this little one, I'm gonna get to that one. But I don't know if I should keep fixing this because
Uh-oh.
oh, there's that.
Oh, sick.
Holy
Oh my
crap, dude.
gosh, bro. Canada, eh?
Right on.
Is that Bondo that they tried just fixing it all?
Yeah, all right.
Let me talk to the customer and see what they want to do.
11,000 horse V8 single cam. Top fuel
Not
injectors.
what I'm talking
Oh,
about, you motherfucker.
okay.
I'm talking about fucking Honda. dummy.
Oh, Honda.
Fuck, what are you talking about? Of course there's a fucking V8 11,000.
Oh, well, I heard of a single cam. I'm like, what the fuck is he
No, of
talking
course all
about?
Chevys are single.
I had to go look it up, make
Do I
sense.
look stupid?
Probably.
Okay.
Watch the
Okay.
video.
Always.
We ready?